If you've been hurt in a motorcycle accident, you may be considering a lawsuit. If you choose to seek compensation for your pain, lost wages, or medical expenses, visit lawsuit.com first. Visit lawsuit.com today or call 877-259-2539 to get a free, no-obligation case evaluation. We'll have an attorney near you evaluate your case and answer questions free. A motorcycle rider is more vulnerable to injuries simply by the nature of the vehicle. In California, cyclists can ride between lanes with other autos. Many drivers of cars and buses don't realize this is legal. If you were injured due to the inattention of another driver, you can file a California motorcycle accident injury lawsuit. Call 877-259-2539 or visit lawsuit.com to get a free, no-obligation case evaluation.